Sargent is a great company because customers can rely on us and count on us to get the job done.
It's a very fast-moving, fast-paced environment.
We want to know what the customer thinks, what they need, and then we act upon it.
We're here to help 100%, and we're going to get the job done for them in the timely manner that we can.
Everyone is very vested in making sure that the company succeeds.
Sargent is a great company because they're committed to excellence.
The culture of Sargent is really based on its people.
We try to be the best at what we do, and everybody takes pride in that.
It's always been a very family-oriented company, and the customer has always been the main focus.
There's also a great deal of respect, and so you see it in the way people talk with each other. You hear a lot of thank yous. It's really quite a nice place.
Knowing that we provided a solution for our customer, that brings me the most satisfaction.
Sargent cares about the employees and doing what it takes to make sure that we have a great working environment so that in the end we can meet the customer's needs.
Sargent is a great company because they're willing to invest a lot of time and money in developing new technologies.
And we're able to turn over new products very quickly. That requires a level of expertise all the way through, from the guy in the field all the way to the folks putting it together on the shop floor.
The end user is going to walk away every day knowing that that solution is in place and it's not going to fail them.
We're the company to go to globally when a customer knows that they need an excellent product.
One thing that's constant is the fact that the customer is number one. What takes us to stay in business is taking care of that customer.
And I'm very proud to say I do work for Sargent.
We've been here for over 100 years. I kind of figured we'll be here another 100 years.